We have already seen how to find area of sector formed by the arc as well as area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. In today's video, we will do some of the problems based on this. So the first question is, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, so the radius of the circle is 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. So the angle at the center is 60 degree. We need to find length of the arc. So this is the length of the arc. We need to find the length of the arc. That's the first one. Second one, area of sector formed by the arc. Area of the sector means this full part. Area of the sector formed by the arc. Again, third one is area of segment formed by the corresponding chord. So segment means this part area we need to find, area of the segment. So these are the three questions. So the first one is length of the arc. So we know that length of the arc is given by the formula. Length of the arc is equal to theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. So here we can cancel 2 and 360, which is equal to 180. So theta by 180 into pi is 22 by 7 and radius of the circle is 21 centimeter. R is 21 centimeter and theta is 60 degree. So here we can substitute theta as 60 degree. Now when you cancel this, we have 3, again 7 and 7 you can cancel. So the answer is 22 centimeter is the length of this arc is 22 centimeter. Again, second one is area of sector formed by the arc. Area of sector formula is area of sector is theta divided by 360 into, instead of 2 pi r we'll write pi r square. So which is equal to theta is again 60 degree by 360 into 22 by 7 and r square is 21 the whole square. So when you cancel, you have 1 by 6. 1 by 6 into 22 into 121 you can cancel into 21. So again this you can cancel to 11. 11 into 21 is 231 centimeter square. And the last part is area of sector formed by the corresponding chord. Area of the sector means this part area we need to find. Area of sector is nothing but area of segment. Area of segment is nothing but area of sector minus area of this triangle formed. Area of sector minus area of the triangle formed. So area of segment is area of sector minus area of triangle formed. Area of sector is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. And area of triangle, we know the formula half base into height. But in this case, we are using the formula half r square sine theta since the radius of the circle is given. And this just now we got area of sector as 231. So no need to simplify again. 231 minus half into radius of the circle is 21. So 21 square into sine theta is 60. So sine 60. So we have 231 minus half into 21 square is 441 and sine 60 is root 3 by 2. We can write root 3 by 2. When you simplify this, we have 231. This part when you simplify, you get 190.95, which is equal to 40.05 centimeter square. Now the second question is, a chord of circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the area of corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. So you can see this is the minor segment, this is the major segment. And a chord of circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. This is the center of the circle, this radius of the circle 15 centimeter. It subtends an angle 60 degree at the center. So how will you find area of minor segment as well as area of major segment? So to find out area of minor segment, first we need to find out area of this sector. Area of minor sector we need to find, and we know that area of sector is nothing but theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Here theta is 60 degree and radius of the circle is 15 centimeter. So when you substitute 60 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into 15 square, which is equal to 117.75 centimeter square. So this is area of sector. Then we need to find area of this triangle formed by the radii and the chord, because we know that area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle formed here. So area of triangle formed by the chord, area of triangle. With this we are finding area of minor segment. I am finding. So area of minor segment is equal to area of the sector minus area of this triangle formed. Area of sector already we got 117.75 minus area of triangle is half r square sine theta when radius of the circle is given. 117.75 minus half into r square is 15 square and sine theta is sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So 117.75 minus half into 225 into sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So when you simplify this, we will get as 117.75 minus 97.31, which is equal to 20.44 centimeter square. So this is area of the minor segment. Now area of major segment, how you will find out area of major segment? Area of major segment is equal to, we can see the full blue part, this part. Now just now we have found out this one, area of minor segment. Area of major segment means this part area we need to find out. So how will you find out area of major segment? Area of major segment easily we can find out by using the formula area of circle minus area of minor segment. So area of circle minus area of minor segment will give you area of major segment. So area of minor segment, area of circle is pi r square, area of minor segment just now we got 20.44. so area of circle is pi r square, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 15 the whole square minus 20.44, which is equal to 706.5 minus 20.44, which is equal to 686.06 centimeter square. This is area of major segment. Now the next question is, horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square field of side 15 meter by means of 5 meter long rope. So the side of the square is 15 meter. Horse is tied at one corner here, and we need to find out area of the part of the field in which horse can graze. That means this part we need to find. This is nothing but area of sector. So this question has got two parts. First one is area of the part of the field in which the horse can graze, and the second one is the increase in grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. So the first one, area of the field that horse can graze, is nothing but area of sector, and area of sector, the formula is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So theta divided by 360, theta here is 90 degree, because in square we know that all the angles of the square is 90 degree. So 90 by 360 into pi 3.14 we can take, and the radius is 5 meter. They have given 5 meter long. So radius I'll take as 5 square. So which is equal to 19.625. 19.625. This you can cancel. This is nothing but 1 by 4. So 3.14 into 25 divided by 4 will give you 19.625 centimeter square. Now if the length of the rope is increased from 5 meter to 10 meter, now what will be the area, the increased area you have to find out. So if the length of the rope is increased from 5 meter to 10 meter, then the area of the sector will be, that means little more, this much part it can graze. So area of the sector in the second case when the length of the rope is increased will be, again the formula is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Now the first case r was 5 centimeter. Now the length has been increased to 10 centimeter, the length of the rope. So in the place of r we need to substitute. This theta is again 90 into 3.14 into 10 square. So which is equal to 78.5 meter square. 78.5 meter square. This is in meter, and the first one 5 meter, first one is also in meter. So 19.625 meter square, and the second one is 78.5 meter square. Now we need to find the increased area. Area increased is equal to, we need to subtract area increased for the grazing is equal to 78.5 minus 19.625, which is equal to 58.875 meter square. So when the length of the rope is increased from 5 meter to 10 meter, the increased area is 58.875 meter square. Thank you for watching my video.